Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to continue exercise 1E. You can take page number 20 in your textbook and you can refer the question from your textbook. Okay children? Last class we have discussed how to compare numbers, how to order numbers, then how to round off the numbers. This is what we have discussed in our last class. So now we are going to deal with exercise 1E. You can take page number 20 in your textbook. So in that first problem we are going to discuss. Okay, compare the following pair of numbers and fill in the blanks with greater sign or smaller sign. Okay, just what we are going to do, we are going to compare these two numbers and going to write which is greater, which is smaller. Okay, so first in comparison what you should do, you should count the number of digits, right? So how many digits are here? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So both the number of digits are same. Both the number of digits are same. So what I should do, I should compare from the left side. 3 3 same. 5 5 same. 8 9. So 9 is greater. So obviously this number is greater than that number. Okay, next. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So now both are same number of digits. So what I should do? I should start from the left side. 8 7. So which is greater? 8. So this number is greater than that number. Okay. Next. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. So which is greater? 6 is greater or 5 is greater? 6. So this number have more number of digits than that number. So I could write it, this is greater. Next. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this 2 1. So which is greater? 2. So obviously this number is greater than that number. So this is how you should compare the numbers. Your E and F question is your homework. Okay children? Next is your second question. What's the second question? Circle the smaller number. So in this we should circle the smaller number. Two numbers are given. Just we are going to circle the smallest number. Okay, so first question also we are just comparing only. The second question also we are just comparing. Okay, in first question, second question, both you can write it in your textbook. You don't need to write it in your fair note. Okay, so what I'm going to start comparing. First I should compare the number of digits. So we should count the digits, right? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So both have same number of digits, right? So we can't compare by number of digits. So what I am doing, I am just starting from the left side. 3 5. Which is smaller? 3. So you can circle this number. Okay, 35,030 is smaller than 53,030. Okay, since we can't compare by the number of digits, I am starting from the first digit. 3 5. So this is smaller, so I have circled it. Next, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So both have same number of digits, right? So how can you compare? You can compare by starting first digit. 6 6. Both are same. 0 6. 0 is smaller. So this number is smaller than that number. Because since first digits are same, I am going to do the second digit. 0 6. Up 0 is smaller, so I have circled it. Your C and D question is your homework, children. Okay. Next is your third question. Okay. What is the third question? Write the following in ascending order. So what you should write it in ascending order. Ascending order means what? How you will arrange it? From smallest to biggest. Okay, that you should keep it in your mind. Okay, smallest to biggest. So first I should compare the numbers, right? So first I am going to count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, in this, which have less number of digits? These two, because these two have only 4 digits. Okay. In that we should compare which is smallest, right? So first I am going to compare these two alone. So first starting 4, 3. So which is smaller? 3. Obviously 3694 is smallest. After that 4282. Okay, listen carefully. These two numbers have lesser number of digits. Okay, have lesser number of digits. So I am going to compare these two alone first. 4, 3. So 3 is lesser. So I have written the 3 first. Then 4 as next. Next. After 4, after this digits, 5 is there. The number with 5 digits are there. So this is there, this is there. Okay, now I am going to compare these two. 1, 1, same. 5, 5, same. 0, 0, same. 0, 0, same. 0, 7. So which is smaller? 0. So I am going to write 15,000 as the next smallest number. After that 15,007. Okay, I am going to compare individually. So this is smaller. So 15,007. Okay, 15,007 is next smaller. After that 6 digit number. 1,30,000. So listen carefully. Once you can check it whether we have arranged them in the smallest to biggest or not. Okay, first what I am going to write the smallest number, then after that smallest, then after that, like that I am going to write it. Okay, these two are 4 digit number, but when compared to this is smaller. These two are 5 digit number. When compared to this is smaller. Then this is 6 digit number. Did you understand? Next is your B question. The same way we are going to arrange from smallest to biggest. Okay. Just we are going to arrange it from smallest to biggest for ascending order. So first what I should do? I should compare the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, actually, this number, this, all these 4 have same number of digits, which is 5. Okay, all are having 5. Number of digits is 5. So, what I should do? I should compare between these 4, which is smaller. Okay, I should compare it. So, what I am going to do? I am just going to compare from the first digit. 1, 1, 1, 1. All are same. Okay, next 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0 is smaller. So I can write the answer now, right? So 10,101 is the smallest. In next 1, 1. Okay, 1. These 3 are 1, 1, 1. Next, in this we can compare it. So next digit is, after this what I am going to do? 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0. In this which is smaller? 0. Right. So I am just going to write 11,011. Next, this is the second smallest. After that you should compare between these two. 0, 0, same. 0, 1. So which is smaller? 0. So 11,100. Next 11,101. Next, after this 5 digit, what it is there? 6 digit is there. So 1,100,000. 1,100,000 is the last, which is the biggest value. Listen carefully. First here also 5 digit, here also 5 digit, here also 5 digit, here also 5 digit. So it is very difficult to compare. So what I am going to do? I am just going to compare by seeing the digits. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1. All are same. Next 0, 1, 1, 1. So in this which is smaller? 0. So I am writing it as first. Then I am going to compare these 3 alone. Next 1, 1, 0. So in this, which is smaller? This one. So I wrote it as the second one. Then I am going to compare these two alone. 0, 0, same. Next 0, 1. So this is smaller, so I wrote it. Then I wrote this. After this, I am going to write this one. Okay, did you understand how to write from smallest to biggest? And then your C question and D question is your homework, children. Okay. Next is your fourth question. What is the fourth question? Write the following in descending order. Descending order means what? Big to small. Okay. Whenever they are asking you ascending order, you should write from small to big. Whenever they are asking you to do from descending order, you should write from big to small. Okay. So what is the question? So these are the 5 numbers. So we have to arrange them in descending order. So first our duty is what? To count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all have same number of digits. So we can't compare like that. So what I am next duty? I am going to compare the individual digits. Individual thing from left side. Okay, now I am starting from first. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So in this 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So which is greater? 3. So I am going to compare this these two alone first. 3, 3, same. Next 4, 2. So which is greater? 4. So I am going to write which is the greatest number is 3,42,456. After this I am going to write 3,24,165. Understood how I have written? These two have 3 as first digit. So this will be obviously greater. So next I am going to compare 2 and 4. So 4 is greater. So this full number is the greatest number. After this I will write it. After that, which number you should compare? 2. 2 to same. 3, 5. So which is greater? 5. So 2,56,513, 2,34,561. After that 2, 1. So 1,23,516. So actually I have arranged them used from the biggest to smallest. Listen carefully. There are same number of digits. So I have compared all the first digit. So in this 3 will be the first greatest. So next I am going to compare these two. So this will be greatest. So I wrote it first. Then I wrote this as second. Then this as third. Then this as fourth. And this as fifth. Understood, children? Next is your B question. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I am just going to compare the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all have same number of digits, so you can't compare it. So I am going to start from the first number. 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. So in this, which is greater? Whether 4 is greater or 5 is greater? 5. So which is your first number? 50,800 will be your greatest. After that, you are going to compare in these 4s. So I am going to compare the second number. 0, 8, 1, 2. So in this, which is greater? 0 or 8 or 1 or 2? 8. So this will be your second largest. 48,520. After that 8, you should write 2. So 42,950. After 2, 1. 41,725. After 1, 0. 40,570. So actually what I am going to do, I am going to see, I have compared the number of digits. In this, number of digits are all same. So I am going to start from comparing first digit. 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. So 5 is greater, so I wrote it first. Next, in those 5 4s, 8 is next greater, so I wrote it second. Next 2, next 1, next 0. So just check at last whether I have arranged them from biggest to smallest or not. That's all. If you check it, it is enough. Okay, children? And your D and so C and D question is your homework. Okay children. Next is your fifth question, which is fill-ups. You can write it in your textbook itself. You don't need to write it in your fair note. Okay. Fill in the blanks. What is the first question? A. The predecessor of smallest 5-digit number. Predecessor means what? Previous number. When you are doing predecessor, what you will do? You will subtract 1 to that number. So what is the smallest 5-digit number actually? Smallest 5-digit number is 10000. This is what your smallest 5-digit number. If you subtract 1 to that number, what will be your answer is 9999, which is the greatest 4-digit number. So if you subtract smallest 5-digit number by 1, you will get greatest 4-digit number. So this is what your predecessor of smallest 5-digit number. Okay, next, successor of greatest 5-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number actually? 99,999. So if you want to find the successor, you will plus add to that number. So what you will get? You will get 1 lakh. So if you add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, you will get smallest 6-digit number. Okay. So the successor of a greatest 5-digit number is smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Next, what is the predecessor of smallest 6-digit number? What is the smallest 6-digit number? 1 lakh is your smallest 6-digit number. If you want to find the predecessor, what you will do? You will minus 1. If you minus 1, what will your answer is? 99,999. So if you find this predecessor of smallest 6-digit number, you will get the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, you will get greatest 5-digit number. Okay, these are all this basic common thing in maths. Okay, next, what is the predecessor of greatest 6-digit number? So what is the greatest 6-digit number? 9,99,999. This is what your greatest 6-digit number. If you want to find the predecessor, what you will do? You will subtract 1 to that number. So what you will get? 9,99,998. Okay, so the 9,99,998 is the predecessor for greatest 6-digit number. So the predecessor of smallest 5-digit number is 9,999, and successor of greatest 5-digit number is 1 lakh. Predecessor of smallest 6-digit number is 99,999. Predecessor of greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,998. Understood children? Today's class we have discussed few exercise problem, which is exercise 1E. From 1 to 5th question we have discussed today, and few problems I have given you as a homework. Hope you all understood children. Thank you.